What's going on, beautiful people? It is October the 22nd on a Tuesday. It is on and popping. This is your guy, Mr. Holistic, aka Mr. AAA. We are on and popping. Let's go. It's been a hell of a morning. So as you come into this live, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you do what you're supposed to do to make sure that this live stays on the algorithm. We got gold consistently going up, and I love it. Let's go. Let's go see if you can make a new weekly roof. Let's go, baby. What's happening, beautiful people? Let me see. Let me get my people in here. Because we live right now. We are on and popping. What's up, Cali Cowgirl? Let me turn this thing down. Turn the volume down. What's happening? We're going to let this room fill up. As you guys come in the room, drop some fire signs in. Tell you, as a 45-year-old individual that just went into the gym and literally hit 405 on the bench, I'm feeling kind of amazing right now. We feeling kind of amazing. Yes, we finna get ready to head to Chicago this weekend, and we really finna start feeling even more amazing. Yes, let's go. Let's go, beautiful people. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm extremely excited. What's happening, beautiful people? We got gold running from an all-time high. Let's go. Let's go, Charlotte. Let's go, Keisha. Let's go, Steph. Let's go, Bram. Let's go, Patrice. Buenos dias, Selena. What's happening, Daryl? Brody, what up, baby? Carol, what's happening? What's popping, family? I'm extremely excited today. Gold is sitting at 27.37, as you can see. This is a 15-minute chart. We're going to basically go back to our higher time frame, so don't nobody really get confused. We're going to remove all drawings because, you know, I like to make her naked. Y'all see the charts. Y'all see the candles. Once again, we have three white soldiers forming on the weekly. So therefore, that weekly candle has 0 wicks on it right now. Let me show you. Let me get it over here. There she goes. Make it big for you. There it is. Look at that weekly candle. Beautiful people. That is confirmation that we're going to be looking for buys. And again, like I said, when she's sitting at all-time highs, I am not interested in sales. And if she's just dropping 100 pips, 200 pips, I let her drop. And then I catch her and ride her all the way back up. That's the most efficient thing to do. So the name of this live today is literally how to find money in the financial markets, in the Forex market. Put some fire in the chat if you're interested in that. Yes, sirski, baby. Let's go. I'm excited. We got the blues and the funky jazz on the ones and twos today. So let's go over here. We're going to get that daily. Look at that daily candle. I love me a good daily candle with literally very little wicks and green. Look at that. So let's go with yesterday's high, which I think we're going to smash. We're going to smash yesterday's daily roof. I want to smash yesterday's daily roof, push all the way through. Because when you start looking at the actual the daily floor, which is yesterday's floor, we're like in tight. We got 27.41, 27.13. I'm looking for the money. So as I get down to that 4 hour, I start seeing the play. I'm like, yo, in the next hour and 55 minutes, I want to see her push above that 741, meaning another 50 pips. I want to see another 40 to 50 pips and then close at a 41.42, 27.41, 27.42. Put some Ones in the chat. Where is the FOMO iPhone? That's what I'm looking at, Gene. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see that. Let's check on NASDAQ. NASDAQ came and clipped us out last night, pushed up and then dropped on us. Pushed up in our sleep and dropped on us. I got clipped out last night. Let's get her naked so we don't confuse nobody. We don't want to confuse nobody. If you have any questions, please type them in the chat before we get started. I'm extremely excited. By the way, I'm in a buy on gold from 27.36, to be honest with you guys. I had a 27.36. I caught her right here on the 15. About 40 minutes ago. Yeah, about 40 minutes ago, I caught this little candle, the green candle right over here. I caught this little area right here. So I got a 36 entry. We up 300 and, well, actually 280, 278 right now. Let's go. Got to love it. Closing one entry, keeping the full lot size there. And we're going to let her ride while we're in class. Beautiful people. No income claims. This is not for financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. This is specifically for educational purposes only. The foreign exchange market is extremely risky, so one shouldn't risk money that you can't afford to lose. Put some H's in the chat if we got that understanding, because I heard we got compliance creeping around. If we got compliance creeping around, that means we got to be compliant. So let's get compliant and let's throw these disclaimers out here as we put on our rollerblades and we skate. I called her last night at the 27.21 to the 27.35. Good job. I like that 27.21. That 27.21 is a banger right down here. Oh, you caught her all the way down here. Nice. Like where the actual EMA 200 is at. So that means you caught this guy. The consolidation area right there. Boop. I like it. What's up, Cali Cowgirl? You got a question, baby? What's happening, Keisha? Let's go. I'm excited. You got 3 white soldiers right here. So if you guys want to literally, well, I'm finna say, if y'all want to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, press that button. You can go ahead and press that button right, like, especially if she drops, give you another little retest up in here. Take that candle back up to the roof and get your 30, 40 pips. Get your 30, 40 pips real quick. Get your 30, 40 pips. We got 148 beautiful people in the live. We should already have 148 different thumbs ups. Let's go. How do you find money in the... Number 2, discipline to your trading plan. Number 3, consistently respecting the discipline of the trading plan. Number 4, make sure you execute the actual trading plan. Number 5, never lie to yourself. All trades are not good trades. Be honest with yourself. Press the button. Know when you're in a drawdown. Know when you're at your limit. And know when you're hitting your numbers. Always know these things. And that's how you can consistently find money in the financial markets. It's not about candle patterns. It's not about structure. It's about you. Let me say that again. How to find money in the financial market is all about you. What are you trying to attract? What are you trying to achieve? Who are you today to receive the blessings that you're trying to actually attract from the foreign exchange market? So I jumped into the market, and because I'm your number 1 digit educator in North America, I'm in my giving season. So therefore my receiving is on steroids. Put some fire in the chat. Put some fire in the chat. Who pressed the button? I want to know who pressed the button. Who pressed the button on that candle? Put some ones in the chat if you press the button. Let's go. Look at that. We got 20 minutes. You're going to see some little closures. We're going to see some little push it up. I want to see her come up and feel this little gap right there. Close over here. I love it. We're in Chicago this weekend, beautiful people. We also have an actual important webinar on the 24th. So I dropped all the information in the group. So for those who are also registering, those who attend the actual event, you are going to receive a $200 hotel voucher to any hotel you want to use it to just by attending the event. It is going to be your boy as the actual guest speaker, literally talking about how I've been literally taking like companies from literally on the ropes, companies who are literally successful, or companies who are literally with holes in their ship and they don't know where to actually throw the rest of the water out. Taking them back into driving them to new levels, taking companies who are struggling and getting them over the fence, taking individuals, switching their mindset. So we're going to be talking about building businesses. We're going to be talking about increasing sales. We're going to be talking about prospecting. We're going to be talking about the foreign exchange market. We're going to be talking about having a better relationship with money. So for those who have registered, I appreciate you guys. For those who have not, hit me up after class in the Telegram and I will point you in the proper direction. But everybody that is basically into that trade already, you guys should be green. You guys should be green. Put some fire in the chat if you're green. Because I'm mean green. I'm mean green. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Everybody should be green. I told you. I told y'all. Let's go. Let's make it big for everybody. Everybody should be already got in at the 38 or the 37. And now you should be up either 10 pips or 20 pips. Come on now. What's up, Savage Queen? How you doing, beautiful? I hate I missed you in Daytona, but I had to pick up Mom Dukes. What's happening? And Dream, what's happening? Ange, what's happening? You know what I realized? A lot of you guys are extremely consistent, and a lot of you guys win most of y'all actual percentages right here in Wick Talk. And then you turn right back around and go through the rest of your day, and because you don't respect your trading plan, because you don't have the discipline to the trading plan, and then you're not consistently respecting the discipline to the trading plan, you give all your money back. Ooh, who can relate? Come on now. Who can relate? We need her to blast out of this area right here. We need her to blast out of this area. Let me go double check the DXY, then we're going to go check some news. Yeah. So if the DXY keeps dropping, I need that DXY to come on back down here. We need the DXY to come here. Right there. DXY comes down here, gold shoots exactly where we need her over that roof, over that 2740 area, 27. Yeah, I want to hit over that 2740, 2741. That's what we need to see on gold. We get this push over here through the next like 35, 45 minutes. We get that push up over there. Let me tell you, we're going to be living life like it's golden. Living life like it's golden. I ain't got to lie, boss. That was me yesterday. What do you mean, Daryl? That was you FOMOing in? You was called iPhone? You was iPhone? Or you just talking about giving all your money away? Giving all your money away. After. Didn't respect my rules. Let me tell you, when you disrespect your rules, it's like disrespecting your morals and your ethics. Disrespecting your upbringing when you're talking about taking money from the digital space. Because you got to be the individual that understands that deserves the digital money, because it's new money. It's new money. I keep trying to tell y'all, it's new money, beautiful people. It's new money. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody should be back in drawdown right now. We got a minute and 13 seconds. If she pushes over here to this little area right here, this is where I'm going to take my second entry, because I already closed my other entry out in Plaza. So now I've taken profits from my other one. Now this one is in a drawdown, maybe like $170, no income claims. I ain't tripping. So as she basically pushes right here, this is when I put my bigger lot size right up in this area right here on that little trend. You see, let's go to the higher time frame, show you that trend. You see that? Y'all see that trend? Bye y'all. The little fake outs. We're going to retest that little trend right here. We're going to retest that little trend area right here. And if it does not retest that trend and just takes off, I don't take the extra entry. You understand that? I don't take the extra entry. I just go, you know what? She took off. Yeah. iPhone made a name for himself last night. iPhone FOMO into a trade, a NASDAQ trade with 2 lot size, and within 10 minutes talking about, man, I'm in a drawdown for 300. I said, gee, Willikers, Batman. Beep, 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 beep. Here we go. We're going to add that lot size in there now. Boom, right off the rejection of the wick. And there she goes. Watch your 15. Right here. I'm in again with another lot size. I'm in again with another lot size, beautiful people. Right here in this area. So we should get this little push up. This is a brand new candle, so I'm excited. It's a brand new candle approaching a rejection area, a new structured area. So this is like a little quick little scalp that we can run it up past the daily roof. Right here. Let's go. There she goes. There she goes. This is how you find the money in the foreign exchange market, beautiful people. Put some fire in the chat if you jump back in. You were smart, took a small lot size in the beginning, so your drawdown was not too crazy. Now you can put your bigger entry in there. And now as she starts pushing back in versus the negative you have for your first entry. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Where's your 30? Here's your same little area right there. Same little retest area. Excited. Got 13 minutes left. We're going to start seeing her wick out of this little area. If not, she's going to cross over. We're going to take the L if we have to take the L. And then we're going to watch her retrace on back up, because I personally don't like losing 30 to 40 pips a trade. So you see what I'm saying? I don't like it. But if that's what I have to do, I'm committed to it. See, that's the difference between me and a lot of individuals. So I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, it's not going my way and I'm just going to cut the trade. No, it has to go past an area and close under that area. And if it does not close under that area or in that area, then I'm not tripping. I hold that trade. If she closes outside the area that I don't like, then listen, I take the L and I keep on shooting. I keep on shooting. So I have my first entry last night, 27. Do I keep that one? Oh, hell yeah. You're in a buy, right? That's a buy? Yeah, you don't have to do nothing. You at 27, you still up almost 90 pips. You still up 90 pips, so you ain't got to do nothing. You just got to sit here and just enjoy, because she's going to go back up to 27.41. Yep, you ain't got to do nothing, Cali Cowgirl. You just got to enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. What's up, Crystal? Are we buying gold? Hitter. We always buying gold, baby. Right now, everyone should have like a 27.35. I have a 27.35 entry. I have a 27.35 entry. And I have a 27.36 modest entry. Let's go. Once my modest gets back into profits, I'm going to close that modest and keep my new 27.35. Y'all understand that? Right where we like her. Right where we like her. So imagine what you guys see right now. See this consolidation area? Let me tell you why I like this trade. Because that was a heavy consolidated area right here. She broke out of that area. Now she's retesting the top of that area. Let me show you over right here again. She was consolidating here 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7th hour she popped out, closed way above, retest that same little zone. Look at that. And buyers will be sitting right here to push her right back up. But you got to allow the buyers to come in. You got to allow the buyers to come in, because so many people are trying to immigrate. So many people. Watch these little wicks. You're just going to watch these wicks keep forming and forming and forming. And as long as she's staying into this area right here, you ain't got to worry about nothing. What's that song? Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. You just got to let the trade pull out. So we're going to keep looking at other pairs as this guy starts playing itself out. We're not even going to even pay attention because there's more and more you watch it and more you literally like stare at it. You start saying, oh my God, I think it's going the other way. Oh my God, I'm in the 10 pips drawdown. You should be at 27.38. It is sitting at 27.34. So you're down like 40 pips. So that's the reason why you do not have a heavy entry on your first entry. Because if you're only down 20, 40 pips with a small lot size, you shouldn't be worried. You see, now look at this. Now you cut a winning trade. You would have cut a winning trade. You see that wick? Y'all see that wick? Let's go. Let's push that wick up. Let's get that wick to push up. Beautiful people. We got 8 minutes left. We got 8 minutes left. We got a lot of buying power in the market right now. So we not even tripping. We want that market to push clean up out of there. We wanted to push clean up out of there. We're excited. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling y'all, I hit 405 today, so we in straight beast mode. Let's go. We in straight beast mode, baby. Bing, 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 bing. I'm excited. I'm excited. Don't let this scare you. Don't let the movement scare you because like I said, we're on a small time frame. The 30, she is just hitting the EMA 9. I got it pulled up pretty big so it looks scary. It's not scary. It's not scary, guys. It's not scary whatsoever. All you got to do is just take the shot. Worst case scenario, you take a nail. That's it. And then you do it again. Then you take a dub. And then you do it again. You get another dub. You do it again. You do another dub. And now you ain't even tripping. You see that? That's the thought process. But you got to allow time to literally implement to strengthen your discipline and your consistency to your trading plan. Never forget the time management with risk management, trading rules, and your consistency. So a lot of you guys guard and not being aware of the shot clock. Being a point guard and not being aware of the actual plays that are being called on the defensive end, so you don't know how to in-game adjust on your strategies. Put some fire in the chat if you understand what I just told y'all. Best I ever did was a 305 before my injury. Ooh. Oh yeah, I smashed 305 today. I smashed 305. I hit my best record. I had a personal record today, 405. But imagine I hit the 405. I hit 135 20 times. I hit 185 15 times. I hit 225 10 times. 265 8 times. 315 5 times. 405. Actually, then I did 365 2 times, and then I did 405 1 time. Ooh, you're talking incline, decline, then bench. Flat. Let's go. We got 215 people in class, 2.5 million people in here. Let's go, beautiful people. Tap that screen, like these lives, like, share, turn the notification bell on. If you have not registered for our live business, being a business, you are the business. Last 5 minutes, we want to get that push. I want to see that push right here. Let's go check the DXY and make sure the DXY is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. As the DXY starts dropping, we're going to start seeing gold rise. We're going to see gold rise, and that's what we like. That's what we like. The DXY got to come down here, gold, and gold got to come up another 50 pips. Let's go. And as long as gold is, like I said, is still in this area right here, Big Papa ain't even tripping. So that's why it is 100% important on your aggressive entry. Let me repeat this. On your aggressive entry, your very first trade, never make it a huge lot size. Never go in for what you normally go in for. Go in for not even half. I'm talking 0.05, 0.03, 1 zeros, 10 cents, 15 cents. If you're normally using 50.5 zeros, then you want to go in with a 0.05 on your very first entry. So if that drawdown is 30 pips, you're only down $15. Let's go. Yeah, now it's hit that 200 and then jumped off. She hit it and jumped. Boom. She hit it and jumped, bro, on that hour. Let's go look at Dirty 30. What Dirty 30 got going on? She had 42,800. I should have held that sale. I should have held that sale. Look, I had a sale entry right here yesterday. It hit my TP right over in here. Actually, 42. Yeah, 43.46 was my TP. Right there. Yeah, this was my TP. I should have took the TP off when I saw it moving like this. But when I saw that big push up right there, Keith, when I saw that big push up right here, I said, oh shit, she gonna bounce back. I said, oh shit, she gonna bounce back. We gonna bounce back. She gonna bounce back. All right, beautiful people. She's sitting at 27.33. Let me tell you right now, I'm gonna go back down to the 15 minutes. If she closes where she's at right now, I will take the L. I will take the L. But the last 2 minutes, the trade likes to move good wicks back up into these zones. If not, we take the L, beautiful people. We take the L early in the morning. We take the L early in the morning. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. But you got to let her breathe. Last 2 minutes, we know what the trade likes to do. We know what the trade likes to do the last 2 minutes. Here we go. Bam. What indicators do you use? Alexandria, I use the EMA 9, I use the EMA 200, and then I use the actual stochastics. But I only use it to teach. I only use it to teach, not to trade. I just like to teach with them. I understand candlestick structure. I understand candlestick closure. I understand candlestick patterns. So therefore, bullish patterns, bearish patterns. So this is what I like to go off of. Market structure and stuff like that. So let's go. Here's the last minute and 56 seconds. What I would wait on is wherever it closes at. If it closes right under that little zone right here, I 100% wait for the retest candle to push back up. And then I'll see if that candle literally is like a fake out. And if it's a fake out, I ride her back up. But if I see it retesting and then breaking structure here and then getting ready to come down, I just take the L right up in here. Put some ones in the chat if you understand that. Because that little sale right here from here to here, I don't believe it. That's not enough. Look, that's not enough to make me change the projection of I'm teaching. So I got the candles really big so y'all can see it. If you just reset the chart, let me reset the chart and give it to you like this. This is what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. You can literally fix that trend and do just like that. Do just like that. And just fix it. Just fix it. 40 seconds. Here we go. Let's see if we get some wicks. If no wicks, then you already know what we got going on, beautiful people. You know what we got going on. You know what we got going on. Bam, 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 bam. Because it looks like she's trying to get these buyers that are sitting right up in here. She's trying to get these buyers that are here. So I'm going to move this zone right up in here. And if she does not pull up out of there and the next candle opens up on the other side of that trend, you guys know we got to allow her to push on up. See if this is a little fake out right here. Watch it. Where's that candle? She's right here. Look. There she goes. There she goes. Let's see if it's a fake out. Let's see if it's a fake out. There she goes. Let's see if it's a fake out, beautiful people. Let's see if it's a fake out. Because there's a lot of buying pressure in the market. So you can't allow a little 30, 40, 50 pips to scare you outside of your decision making when all it is just a little patient. Just be a little patient. Be a little patient. Watch that 15. Look at that 15. See, we back on this side. So all they got to do is just break through that guy. And then we rocking and rolling. We rocking and rolling. Let's go. Let's go. Do we got a Oh, they big hating right now. They big hating. Giving me commercials right now that I can't even skip. Oh, they big hating. Hey, big hating. Let's go. Let's go. We need this guy to push all the way through here. See how we back in the fight? Put some 8s in the chat if you see how we back in the fight. See how we back in the fight, beautiful people? See how we back in the fight? This is why it's important to have your bigger lot sizes down at the bottom, because now that small lot size that you got at the top is really, truly not even, doesn't even really matter at that point. You see? So now they go through the fight back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then you just let it keep pushing and pushing and see when the bulls come in and then shoot it past that EMA 9. Let's go. Let's go. Cause we back in the fight. We back in the fight. I'm not worried. I like it. So this is where your patience comes into the place. This is where your believing what you see comes into the play. Because what I see right now, I just see the basic retracement of gold happening right now. So when I see these little moves like that, I'm going, yo, it's a brand new candle. So it's literally just making this move. If I get over into those higher time frames, look at what's happening right now. The market is literally just sitting sideways and we're trading within 4-hour dojis. We're trading within 4-hour dojis from literally it going up. So this is where the buyers are at. And all you have to do is have the patience to sit here and allow the market just finish what it's doing, shaking off all the little stop losses that it's grabbing, and then fly up out of there. Like this is what I'm going to wait on. I'm telling you straight up. This is exactly what I'm going to wait on. You have your 1 hour, you have it sitting right here. Like I said, broke out of the consolidation, retesting it, and all she needs is the strength of literally Zeus to start pushing up out of there. Oh wait, 733? 733. I'm gonna teach y'all how to hold them things. Put some 8s in the chat if you still in it. Put some 8s in the chat if you still in it. You didn't close your aggressive. You didn't took the L on your aggressive. You still should have your modest in. You still should have your modest in. My modest is still there. One-on-one, not bad, not bad. If you can handle it, handle it. If not, let her go. Like I said, you know your account. You know your account. Take the L. I think that would probably be my first L in probably like 2 months. But we ain't taking L's until the candle close. I'm telling you, I'm not taking the L until the candle close, until the candle closes. You see? Believe in what you see and have the patience to see it through. Someone asked, what are my entries? I have a 20 right now open. I have a 27.35 and a 27.33. That's what I have right now. So right now I'm 10 pips down from my 33. Total of 30 pips down, and I'm still in the game. I'm still in the game. And like I said, the little amount that I'm negative, it does not scare me. So I'm not really tripping. So therefore, as I start basically allowing this trade to play itself out and push its way through, because like I said, we're in consolidation on the 4 hour. We're trading in a doji. You see it? We're trading in dojis on the 4 hour. It's trying to come out of the overbought market. It likes to reject from there. And as she starts rejecting, you're going to see 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, just like that. Somebody say, why you just don't sell her? Why do I need to sell gold when she's going up? Gold going up. Look, she's going up. The DXY is just jumping right now. The DXY is just jumping off the roof right now. You see that? The DXY is just doing something extra. It's brand new candles on the DXY, you see. So she pushing like that. So the way she pushed up, she can drop. And when she dropped, gold is going to shoot. And then any and everybody going to be like, man, I remember I had the 2733. I had the 2733. Because these are very small candles. Let me show you again. These are literally very small candles. And that is a structured area. And so, like I said, I want to see that. I want to see that drop because she hooking. She is hooking. Let's go. Let's go. Bing, 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 bing. If I get that, like I said, if I get me a close still at before 33, we get us a close right up in there, like I'm good with that. I'm good with that until she start pushing back up. I'm good with that until she start pushing up. But this is also why you never over leverage. This is also why you never over leverage, because you should never put yourself in a situation where now you're nervous. You like because of the amount that you're negative in your drawdown. That's where most traders get fucked up at, to be honest with you. We got 37, it's 7:37. We got almost 20 something minutes left in class. We have 22 minutes left on that 30-minute candle. And like I said, longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakthrough. It knows where the buyers are to break through that 2741. And that 2741 is where she 39 o'clock, 9:30. She's going to work her way on back up there. She's going to work her way on back up there. Bing, bing. And like I always say, me personally, would rather be negative for an hour, 2 hours, even a day sometimes, to be able to say 2 days from now, yo, gold is sitting at 2745. 2745, bro. I stayed in her. Let's go. I remember I had the 2533. Yes, yes. Y'all type in some of y'all old entries. Keith, what we have, Keith? Type in some of them entries we used to knock out, Keith. Let's get us a good push on that 1 hour. Let's get us a good push on that 1 hour. Back in our little zone, so we feeling good. Look at your 15. We should be feeling good. We should be feeling good, beautiful people. As she stays up in here, she's going to start trickling her way. Let me also say this. Just because we press the buy button, that don't mean the market is just going to buy up immediately. Put some fire in the chat if you be thinking that the market is going to do exactly what you say it's going to do because you press the button. Put some fire in the chat. Remember the 2075, bro? Holy crap. I remember the 2075. How many people press the button and feel like the market should be immediately going up or going down when you press the button? Especially the individuals who have a hard time accepting that they're wrong sometimes. The individuals that have a hard time accepting that they're wrong, they have a hard time realizing and having patience to wait for the market to basically play itself out. It's not that you're wrong or you're right. It's just simple fact that you're just bad timing. It's like the timing was not. Like right now, it's not that the 2735 or the 2736 or the 2733 is a bad trade. We might just be hella aggressive. It's just that simple. We're just hella aggressive. And she got room to grow. That's what I love about this trade right now. She has room to grow because as you get into your higher time frame, I feel more positive about the actual trade as I get into the higher time. The smaller time frames will scare the shit out of you sometimes. This is why I personally like trading on the 4 hour. So knowing that I have my little entry right here, I normally would have an entry down here, you see, to the 29. But we right here with it. We right here at the 33 area, you see. So I personally, in the next hour and 18 minutes after Wick Talk is over, I will give this candle right here the shot, the hour and 18. And if I don't like what I see in the hour and 18, I'm personally will literally say, you know, 100%, we live to trade another trade. I'm not taking myself out of the game on one trade. You understand that? We don't take ourselves out of the game on one trade. Never take yourself out the game on one trade, baby. Anybody got any questions while we sitting idle and while we sitting waiting? Because we're going to stay on a higher time frame so you guys don't freak out. What I always tell people, she has to breathe. She's sitting at 27.31. So now I'm down a total of like 30 pips from, or 40 pips from the 27.35. I'm again, and I'm not even over leveraged, so I'm not even really tripping. You understand? I'm not even really over leveraged, so I'm not even I'm actually down right now a total of, let me check, $300 and $402 right now. So like, I'm not tripping. I'm down 402 with 2 entries. And my 33 is the reason why I'm like down mostly, because of my 33 entry is a bigger lot size. We're buying Mag. We're buying Mag. Everybody mostly got a 33 or a 35 entry. Down 1K 2 entry. What's your lot size, guy? What's your lot size? Should never go down 1K. You should have cut it at 250, 300 if that's the case. Yeah, you just got to let them play out, Idris. You got to let them play themselves out and be okay with, like I said, I'm okay. Like, I'm extremely transparent because I do this live. So I'm okay when I'm wrong. Like, I always tell people, like, oh, man, you act like you own the market. Like, you act like you can't never take an L. I said, bro, that's the beauty thing. I can take an L and still keep on trading. I can be in a drawdown and not be freaked out and start hating the market and wish I would have went into work early. You see? You see? But I like that. I like the hour. We got 15 minutes left in the hour. We're going to finish class 15 minutes in that hour candle. That's where, yeah, we got 15 minutes in this hour candle. If I don't get what I need in this next little 15 minutes right here, I will take the L with everybody and say, you know what? We came, we tried, we didn't succeed. But the beauty thing about this actual industry is that we fail more than most individuals try. This is why we are extremely successful. I'm telling you straight up. This is the 2720. Again, you have zero worries with the 2727. To be honest with you, you're just, like I said, you're catching this, just a retracement. So you're just watching your profit dwindle down a little bit. But as she starts pushing up, say 1 hour or 2 hours from now or tomorrow, it's just what it is, and then you enjoy. But the 2727 is a striper. It's a sniper. You got 20 seconds on the 15. She should give us a little push. I don't like it on the 15. 3 black crows coming up. That's a sell zone at the area where we was literally just buying at. That's what I would be scalping, to be honest with you. So as she pulls up probably over here, I'm going to watch her again on this new candle, because the new candle should give us some little vibration on some reverse pull up. If the DXY is still just shooting, because like I said, they're manipulating the dollar. Yeah, the DXY is still shooting. So we're going to literally look at that last. We can get us a little retracement back into our entries area right up in here. And then we're out. What my 1 hour? Who got some questions? I learned from you to close the aggressive at a small L and then re-enter. That's right. That's why it's not so bad. So imagine me holding that still that 27.36. Like, bro, it's stupid. It's stupid to hold it. That's why it was small. I'm like, yo, bro, I'll close that little $42. Like, I'm not tripping on that $42. I'll get up out of here. Get up out of here. Let's go. And again, 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% watching. 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% watching. Let me repeat it. 10% buying, 10% selling. Now we're on our 80%. Now we're on our 80%. Now we're watching the trade. Now we're watching the trade, and we needing the trade to literally bounce back like 4 flats on the Cadillac. It's literally just like that. You took the L, Sean? All gravy. All gravy. Small L, small L. It's all right. It's all right. We took L's today. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here to the hour close. I'm here to the hour close, and then I can accept. We tried the trend line rejection right here. It failed. We closed the L. We tried the retest of that consolidation. It failed. And now she's sitting right here. That's your last line of defense of her retracing back up. If not, she's going to pull up here and she's going to start dropping down. And she's looking for more buyers to continually going up because people are investing into gold. This is not going to be, it's death to gold. That's for sure. Boom, bam, 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 bam. If that 15 gets into the oversold market, it is what it is. She's probably going to continue going down for sure to the 200. About right up in here. But I think she got some recoil in her. She got some recoil in her. She got some recoil in her. Let's go, beautiful people. Let's go. Let's go, beautiful people. You got any questions? Holy crap, Keith. What Keith? Oh, shit. Yeah, that thing will get ugly real fast with 5 lots. Okay, guys, I'm closing her. She's hitting 27.30. She's hitting 27.30 at that mark right there. I was going to tell myself, bro, she is 27.30. That's 30 pips from your modest, and that's literally 50 pips from your aggressive. Don't take another entry. That's your L. Take your L. Let me explain how I take L's. If I have 2 entries that are already adjusted because I've already closed at a previous aggressive. So this is literally considered the 3rd trade in the same trade. 1 entry was an L because it was small. Now that went into the drawdown, and then I put my real lot size at the 33. Now I'm down, so I go, you know what? I was trying to hit literally 2K. I was willing to lose 400 to 500 for the 2K. Now I done lost 750 for the 2K. I'm okay with that. And that's live. I'm telling you, I'm live. I'm live with it because I got the rest of the day to recover that 7K. I mean, that 750 and keep on pushing. You see? Took a 125. Yeah, bro, it's what it is. It's what it is. It's the drawdown. I can take the L. I can take the L with a smile. That's the difference between me. Everybody else will act like they live stream feed are frozen. Everybody else be like, man, my internet tripping, man. My internet tripping. I can take the L with a smile, I'm telling y'all. Because I don't look at this industry like wins and losses. I look at this industry like, well, yo, we playing ball. Yo, you missed the shot. It's transition. This industry is full of momentum. And as you get your momentum, you're going to start seeing everything that you lost come right back. But what's important is to know what to do with it when it comes back. It's important to know what to do with it when it comes back. These are facts. Yeah. We took our L today. Like I said, I'm extremely transparent. We took an L. I just took an L. I just closed out everything. I took the L. I'm okay with taking the L. And I took the L on the funded account as well. So I'm like, also really not even tripping. Yeah, we can't win every time. It's okay. Like I said, The whole purpose of trading is not trying to win every trade. It's about having a consistent winning percentage. My percentage of winning is still greater than my percentage of losing. So therefore, I'm not really like, it is what it is. It is what it is. And imagine, like I said, you can go 2 hours from now, 3 hours from now. Are you considered a loser if the trade is at 27.50 at that point? No, you were just hella aggressive. You were just hella early. Imagine going to a party at 10 and then the party got crunk at 12:30, 1 o'clock and you were already gone. My homeboy called me and said, yo, bro, where you at? I'm like, bro, I'm already at the crib. He was like, bro, it's everywhere out here. Bro, I was there. Was nobody there. What time you get here, homie? Bro, I got there at 10. Why would you come at 10 when you know the party starts at 12, bro? Everybody get here at 12. So we're going to watch her. News can come in. Let's check out news. Let's check out news while we over here. Today's the 22nd. We got 9:25. We got a red folder on GBP. We got BRICS Summit. Ooh, day 1 of BRICS Summit. Let's go. That's why they pumping the dollar. This is market manipulation. This is market manipulation. The dollar is dying, but they're pumping it. They're pumping it. I'm telling you. Look at the big green candles. Look at the big green candles. They're pumping it. That's for sure. Got to love it. Got to love it. Got to love it. They're for sure pumping it. They can't allow the dollar to die because you got what, maybe 20 days until election? We got like 20 to 15, 17 days before election. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? This was my first loss, close to passing the funded. That's when I'm tripping. Yeah. Yeah. Can we pull the money from the other account? That's any help. All right, fam. We're got to get up out of here at 7:54. I appreciate you guys chiming in. Like I said, today was an L. Today was an L. We took an L. Listen, live stream. Boom. We took an L. Mr. H is human. I take an L. And I'm okay with it. The beauty about it is how you take the L. Are you taking the L with the emotions where you're like, man, fuck this shit, man. This is some bullshit. Are you taking the L with joy, with grace, with love, with honor and respect? Like, yo, bro, I just missed a shot, bro. But I'm telling you, you better not leave me open again, because if I see some shit like that again, bro, I'm smacking it. You see the confidence? You see the confidence? It's a difference of taking the L. It's like, are you having a rough sales day and you're actually having a really rough day as an individual? Are you just having a rough sales day and you still having an amazing day as an individual? You see? That's right, Charlotte. I always tell people, if you want to win, you got to learn how to lose. I know how to lose. I know how to lose with a smile. I know how to say no with a smile. I know how to say no with a frown face. I know how to say an aggressive no. So I'm okay with having a good, energetic loss and literally bounce back for the rest of the day. Now I'm going to go sit in a corner and be like, oh my God. I never want to trade again. I never want to trade again. So it is what it is. I love you guys. Y'all have a great day. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. I would not retake this. I would literally let her play herself out, YZ. Let her play herself out. The 27 is that 27-27 is a good area. But like I said, let her play herself out, because they're pumping the dollar right now. They're pumping the dollar right now. So you could see her probably just drop for no reason. She probably go find some buyers. She had to go find some buyers. So we might see some big candles through news, through this open bail season, 9:15 to 10:30. We might see some big candles. So let's see it. I love you guys. Y'all have a great day. Deuces, beautiful people.